Ama-boyfriends lawo ngingasho ukuthi no, bekafika. Makhanjwa. About,
Ngimbuza umnganami kanti muphathi mnganami khohla yilokho wena. Lo mbona ngaleso sikhathi yini?
uyambona umfana ukuthi uguy like ukuthi no, this guy is good looking, muscular. She likes muscular guys, but like, yabo, ubona ukuthi no, perfect. Like ngisho ubona nje bezoqhamuka, uzombono wakhe.
Bengibathatha ngokufana like ngikwenza kulo, ngiyakwenza to all of them.
Nabo labafana bebethanda imali bebemchutha. Bathengela branded clothes.
Bebethenga nje anytime. I-brand beyingabi inkinga. In total, it was a lot. Ngoma 400k.
Futhi ububona nje ukuthi lo ngeke akuyena othengele into yabo. I-brand nje yento yasho ukuthi akayi-afford lo. Sekugezwe imali kaThuli lo.
Labo guys banezindlu through mina neso ngangibakhela emakhaya kube izindlu zabo. Guy number 1 it was 5 room engamkhandela wona. 600k plus. Number 2 he introduced me to his family. Then waqhamuka ukuthi umkanga uthi okay, let me build him a house as well. Labo bayibonke boy-3 room ke. Kwaba 400 plus k each house. I think lapho I spent 1 million.
Ngiyakhumbula egcina ukuthi wagcina esethengena nemoto.
Ipolo yayo 90. Ford Focus yabo 220. I-Range Rover yayo 340k. Then i-Raptor yayo 500 plus. Sithenga cash. Bezi andala abo boyfriend laba. Amagama wabo. Anyone othi ngicela ngiboleke imoto ngendlela like uyathatha uyahamba. And i-petrol obviously ngizofaka phela.
Kudliwa umuntu, kudliwa imali.
Apparently all these guys knew each other. Just that mina bengazi.